Virgin Galactic visited our unique bespoke facility where we curate limited editions and one-of-ones. One of the most important features was the paint. We started looking at some of the beautiful effects of the night sky, such as some of the really deep blues and blacks. And we created something which has a tiny little bit of chroma and metallic effects, so when the direct light is shone on the paint, it creates a really beautiful night sky detailing. You know, we really wanted this vehicle to be a celebration of this once-in-a-lifetime experience for the future astronauts, and we wanted something that would remind them of what they're about to experience. Like the space flight, we really wanted this vehicle to be unique and special. So every astronaut will get a piece of wood in their vehicle that have actually been to space. The interior colourway is very light and luxurious. We've added a touch of unique detailing with the blue stitching which runs along the doors and the seats. We've used the full graphic of the DNA of flight in a tone-on-tone execution by inlaying it into the carbon fibre in a gunmetal finish. The Virgin Galactic team created the future astronaut constellation by mapping out the location of all their future astronauts. So from really any angle in the car, you'll see some kind of element of this future astronaut graphic. And there are some elements in the vehicle that can be personalised and customised, such as the embroidery on the headrest. So it could be the astronaut's initials, it could be some of the flight detailing, anything really that they request. This is one of the most exclusive groups of adventurers in the world. We really wanted to celebrate their once-in-a-lifetime experience with a vehicle that they can treasure.